Hi everyone, today we're going to be creating 3 Christmas ornament DIYs, so I hope that you enjoy. The first DIY you're going to be making is a cute unicorn bauble to hang on your tree. You're going to begin by making the unicorn's horn. To do this you need some clay. Take 2 thin long strips and just twist them together. Once you're done, add some water to your clay just to smooth everything out. So you want to make sure to get rid of all of those annoying cracks. Now take your horn and paint it any colour you want. I'm using gold. Then take some more clay and shape 2 little ears. Then you're going to paint your ears. I decided to paint mine white and then take a pink Sharpie pen just for the inside of the ears. Once everything's dry, hot glue your horn onto the centre of your bauble. To make it even prettier, you can hot glue some roses in. Then you're going to get really brave and freehand her face on. And for the final step, you're just going to hot glue her ears and the side of her head. And here she is in all her beauty. I hope that you guys have as much fun as I did putting this together. It's so quick and easy. Now we're on to the second DIY, and honestly this one is so quick, but it's really one of my favourites, and I think it's quite a nice handmade gift as well. So I'm just using a silver acrylic painter to colour the moon in, and then I'm attaching that with some wire. So I had these wooden embellishments that I brought from Hobbycraft, and I just really arranged them into a scenery. It's so quick guys to make, honestly, but you know what, it looks like one of those really expensive things that you find in the Christmas markets and such, so I hope that you do enjoy it. We're on to our third and final Christmas ornament, and you're going to learn how to make this adorable candy cane. You're going to start by taking 2 red felt sheets, then outline your candy cane on there and cut it out. Then place that on top of the other red felt sheet so that you can use this as an outline. So you should end up with 2 candy canes that look exactly the same. Then you're going to hot glue one part at a time and then put some toy stuffing inside. We're going to make this even more magical, so this candy cane isn't going to be any old standard candy cane, it's even going to light up. So take some LED lights, you can get these from Poundland, and use that inside as well. So I just kept doing that, and now I am gluing the ends. Measure a sheet of white felt against your candy cane and then cut that out. And once you've done that, cut some white strips off. Then you're just simply going to hot glue those throughout your candy cane. Now I'm making 2 holes for some eyes because I decided on eyes last minute, so I've just hot glued those in and drew a little smiley face. Then take a pipe cleaner, make sure you cut its size and then hot glue it to the back. I also decided to make a little yellow bow for mine, but that's optional. Then finally I stuck 2 berries under the bow. And here he is, isn't he so cute? His little face is honestly gonna cheer anyone up. And don't forget, he's even more special because he lights up. Well, that's it guys for today. I hope that you have enjoyed all 3 DIYs. Make sure you let me know what your favourite is in the comments below. And if you have enjoyed these ideas, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I wanted to bring something kind of different for you because we used 3 different materials. So we used felt for this, and then we used wood, and then we had clay for the unicorn bauble. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!